Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. We're trying to fight this rain here, so you're going to see a wet Humvee today. This is a 1993 AM General M998. This actual truck was purchased by a gentleman named Sean. He's one of our close friends. We've sold a lot of cars for him, and he actually decided to restore this himself. He did an exceptional job, so it's all period correct. The only modifications you're going to see are on the interior, but I think it was done with great taste. So if you look at the front, you've got yourself the most sought after brush guard. This is the Laverne brush guard, so it's super solid. It does have regular lights in here, so every single light has been replaced, but it is not LED. That's just period correct, which is fine. I'm going to pull this out just for when we show the hood, under the hood. It's powered by a 6.5 liter diesel motor. You know what I like about these brush guards is you can put it there and you can stand on it if you wanted to with no issues at all. Let me pop this. You want to pop that side? It's powered by a 6.5 liter. When he got it, it had several issues. They had to clear out the gas tank, had to put a new oil cooler in there, so that's a pretty expensive piece. If you look throughout the truck, all the nuts and bolts have been replaced with what looks to be stainless. New glow plug controller. Generator is charging correctly, so we checked it with a voltmeter. So we've got the snorkel here for fording with the correct rubber grommet, and then we have the fording exhaust which sticks up over. So essentially you could drive your truck into water this deep. It does not have the full kit, so it doesn't have the switch in the dash. It also doesn't have the vent pieces for the oil filler level along with the transmission dipstick, so you'd have to get those if you're really going to do it, but it will protect you. I mean, you're probably going to you'd have to essentially drain all the fluids if you did decide to ford how it's set up right now. I'm going to go ahead and close this, but it's extremely nice. Wait till you see the inside of it. This truck has a brand new top, brand new doors, brand new wipers, brand new rubbers, brand new mirrors. And in the inside we have two sets of high back seats up front, and then two pads in the rear that are brand new, but they're OE spec. So open up that door. I want you to take note of how nice the inside of this car is. Once again, excuse the water. It's been raining like crazy here in Florida. It's supposed to rain for the rest of the week. What we have is a rhino-lined interior. So this is a color match with the 383 green. Then you have yourself a set of cup holders, which is the only, this and this are the only non-OEM or period correct pieces in the truck, but kind of necessary. So if you have this, you can take your, let me grab my phone out of here. You could take your phone and you could throw it up on here if you wanted to. So if you're doing GPS, and then you got your cup holders here, which are Velcroed on, so you can still work on that pull that dog house out if necessary to work on it. Interior, super clean. Obviously new top and new doors. The dash, so come on this side. Take a look at how nice the dash is, because every single gauge has been replaced throughout the whole entire truck. You've got yourself new plates, data plates as well for your heating mechanism along with your doghouse, and then I'll let you walk in there and look at the gauges. Also new plaques for your transmission selector and gear selector. As you look at the side of this vehicle, take a look at the fording exhaust on it, and we'll open up the rear door so you can take a look at the inside here. All the top pieces of the truck have been rhino lined. Brand new seat belts as well on all four corners. It's got a set of 95% tread tires on it, and the paint has been completely touched up. It was fully disassembled for the paint job. All the numbers are correct for the unit, so essentially when you pull up this data plate, it'll be for this truck. Got a set of jerry cans in the rear, and then you've got your rhino liner inside here as well. All the underside's been touched up in Rapco black, so it's a flat black, and then it has a Pioneer kit, so you've got yourself a shovel and an axe under here, and that's all new. All the body lines are straight because it's a really nice truck. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. Have a great day.